What if I told you there was a secret weapon in your dropshipping arsenal? One that could unlock untapped niches, reveal winning products, and even fine-tune your marketing strategies. No, I'm not talking about a magic wand or a crystal ball. I'm talking about something far more powerful, something often overlooked but absolutely critical to long-term success. Competitor analysis. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, simply having a great product isn't enough anymore. You're swimming in a vast ocean of online stores, all vying for the same customer attention. To stand out, to thrive, and to ultimately dominate your chosen niche, you need to understand not just your own strengths, but also the strengths and weaknesses of your rivals. Think of it like a chess game. You can't win if you only focus on your own pieces. You need to anticipate your opponent's moves, identify their patterns, and exploit their vulnerabilities. But how do you even begin to analyze your competitors, especially when you're just starting out or working with limited resources? The idea of manually sifting through countless websites, tracking product prices, and dissecting marketing campaigns can feel overwhelming, if not impossible. That's where tools come in, and today we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage Spocket, not just for sourcing amazing products, but also as a powerful ally in your competitor analysis journey. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's clarify why competitor analysis is so crucial. First, it helps you identify market gaps. Your competitors might be serving a broad audience, leaving room for you to specialize and cater to a specific underserved segment. Second, it reveals winning products. If multiple competitors are selling a similar product and generating significant sales, that's a strong indicator of demand. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You can adapt and improve. Third, it informs your pricing strategy. Are your competitors offering lower prices, or are they able to command a premium? Understanding their pricing structure helps you position your own products effectively. Fourth, it refines your marketing and messaging. How are your competitors talking to their audience? What kind of ad creatives are they using? What promotions are they running? This intel can inspire your own campaigns and help you craft more compelling narratives. Finally, competitor analysis can help you identify potential partners or even future acquisition targets, though that's a topic for another video. So, how does Spocket fit into all of this? While Spocket is primarily known as a dropshipping platform connecting you with suppliers, it offers a unique vantage point for competitor analysis, particularly when it comes to product research and understanding market trends. Let's start with the most obvious: product identification. Spocket's extensive catalog allows you to browse a vast array of products. As you explore, pay attention to the products that are trending or those that appear frequently across different supplier listings. This can give you an initial clue about what's popular in the market. But the real magic happens when you combine this with a bit of detective work. Imagine you found a promising product on Spocket, let's say, a unique type of eco-friendly water bottle. Now, instead of just adding it to your store, take a moment to do a reverse search. Copy the product image or keywords and use them on Google, Amazon, Etsy, or even social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. What do you find? Are there other stores selling similar water bottles? These are your direct competitors. Once you've identified these competitors, Spocket can still play a role. While you won't directly see their sales data on Spocket, you can use the platform to find similar products from different suppliers. Why is this important? Because it allows you to compare product variations, pricing from various suppliers, and even shipping times. If your competitor is selling a very similar water bottle, but you can source a higher quality one or one with faster shipping through Spocket, you immediately gain a competitive edge. Furthermore, consider the recommended products or bestsellers sections within Spocket. These aren't just random suggestions. They often reflect what other successful dropshippers are sourcing and selling. If a product is consistently showing up in these categories, it's a strong indicator of demand. Now, use that information to go out and find the stores that are successfully selling those exact products. Analyze their store design, their product descriptions, their customer reviews, anything that gives you insight into their winning formula. Another clever way to use Spocket for competitor analysis is through its supplier network. Many Spocket suppliers specialize in particular niches. If you notice a supplier offering a wide range of products within a specific category, it suggests there's a market for those items. You can then research stores that likely source from similar suppliers or operate within that same niche. This gives you a broader understanding of the market landscape and the different players within it. Think about product bundling and cross-selling. As you analyze your competitors, you might notice they're selling complementary products together. For example, if they're selling the eco-friendly water bottle, are they also offering cleaning brushes, custom sleeves, or hydration tracking apps? Now, check Spocket to see if you can source similar complementary products from your existing suppliers or new ones. This allows you to emulate successful bundling strategies and increase your average order value. Beyond direct product comparisons, Spocket helps you understand the feasibility of competing. If you find a fantastic product through Spocket, but then discover that all your competitors are selling it for significantly less, and you can't match their pricing even with Spocket's wholesale options, it might be a sign to pivot or differentiate in other ways. Conversely, if you can source a product at a competitive price through Spocket and offer a unique value proposition, you're in a strong position. Remember, competitor analysis isn't about copying. It's about learning, adapting, and innovating. Spocket empowers you with the product sourcing capabilities that can be directly applied to what you learn from your competitors. It's about finding the gaps they've missed, the areas where you can offer a better product, a better price, or a better customer experience. So, the next time you browse Spocket for your next winning product, put on your detective hat. Use the platform as a lens to understand the broader market. Explore the trending products, research the suppliers, and then use that information to strategically investigate your competitors. The insights you gain will be invaluable for shaping your product offerings, optimizing your pricing, and crafting marketing campaigns that truly resonate with your target audience. It's about turning insights into action, and Spocket can be a powerful tool in that process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.